Hello, welcome to GED exam preparation class. I am your host and instructor, Ruben Herrera. And on this lesson, my friends, we are going to learn about the coordinate plane. Okay, so let us get started. First of all, my friends, this is how the coordinate plane looks like. Okay, when I was a kid, the coordinate plane, it was just mainly just this portion right that we're looking at right here. Now, my friends, what we have on the coordinate plane, we have actually four quadrants, okay? And the quadrants are numbered like this, like counterclockwise. This is quadrant number one, quadrant number two, three, and four. But this really, for your GED exam, this really doesn't matter. I'm just mention this to you for your information. Okay, my friends. Next, we have right here what we call the x-axis. The x-axis is this line right here that we see. It looks like, if you're looking at this only, if you concentrate on this, it looks pretty much like the number line. We have right here positive numbers, and then we have right here negative numbers. Okay, very nice. Next, we have the y-axis. The y-axis is this right here, and what it is just a vertical number line, okay, where I have the positive numbers on the top half, and I have right here the negative numbers on the bottom half. Okay, very nice. Next, I have the origin. The origin for on the coordinate plane is this zero right here. Okay, very nice. This is the origin, the zero, where this is where we're going to start our coordinates from. Okay, next in our coordinate plane, we have what we call coordinates, or what we have an ordered pair. Okay, and this is an example of what one looks like. When I was a kid, we used to call these coordinates. Now I believe they're called ordered pair. This is what we call them now on modern math. Okay, but you can call them whatever you like. I still call them coordinates most of the times. So we have right here 2 comma 3. Okay, this is an ordered pair to where the number 2, or the first number in this case the 2, represents the x-axis. Okay, and then the number 3, the second number, represents the number on the y-axis. Okay, very nice. So now let us go and let us start plotting or finding some coordinates. For example, let us look at this first coordinate right here. This is going to be 2 comma 3. So remember, my friends, that the first number right here represent the numbers on the x-axis, and the number 3, the second number, represents the number on the y-axis. Okay, so what I'm going to do to plot this coordinate right here, or this ordered pair, remember that I'm always going to start right here on the origin, on the 0. Okay, and then I'm going to start with the x numbers. Okay, because this is the first number right here. The 2 represent the x-axis. So I'm going to take this route, and I'm going to go like this. 1, and then I'm going to stop right here on the 2. But I'm not done yet. Now I'm going to go and find the number 3. Now I'm going to go 3 numbers up. Okay, and I'm going to go right here where the y-axis are. That's positive 3. So the positive 3 is right here. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to go up. It's like if I'm taking a route, or like if I'm taking my bicycle down the neighborhood, and there you go. So this is right here where the 2, the positive 2 on the x-axis, and the positive 3 on the y-axis meet. And here, my friends, this is where I plot, or where I will mark this coordinate. Okay, on my coordinate plane. Okay, let us do one more very quick. So I have right here now, this time I have negative 2 comma negative 3. Okay, so remember, my friends, I'm going to start right here with the origin, always with the same origin. It's the only one we have, and I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to find the negative 2 on the x-axis. So I'm going to take this route, and I'm going to stop right here where the negative 2, and then I'm going to go down and stop where I see the negative 3 on the y-axis. So the negative 3 on the y-axis is this one right here. So now I'm going to go down this way and see where that negative 3 and that negative 2 meet, which is right here, my friends. And this is where I'm going to plot, or where I'm going to mark this second coordinate right here. Okay, so you see it does makes a difference, and we have to pay a lot of attention whether our numbers are positive or negative. And also always remember, and I'm sorry for being repetitive, always remember that the first number represents the x-axis and the second number represent the y-axis. Okay, let us do one more coordinate. Now we're going to have mixed numbers. I have the negative 2 for the x-axis and positive 3 for the y-axis. Okay, so I'm going to start right here again back in the origin, and I'm going to find the negative 2. So the negative 2, we already done it once, so it's going to be right here. Then I'm going to find the positive 3 on the y-axis. The positive 3 is right here, all the way up here. So I'm going to take this route now. Okay, and then right here, this is where I'm going to plot or mark, okay, this coordinate right here. And this is what your GED exam is going to expect you to do, just to mark or to plot or to click right here, because it's going to be a computer test. They're going to ask you to click right here where that coordinate met, or where you're going to plot that coordinate. You're not going to have to do these red lines that I'm doing right here. This is just for demonstration. Okay, so let us do one last coordinate. Now I'm going to have a positive 2 and a negative 3. So I'm going to find the positive 2 on the x-axis, which is right here, and then the negative 3 on the y-axis, which is all the way down here. So where these two met right here, I'm going to do this very quick, and this is where this last coordinate met. Very simple to find coordinates or coordinate pairs on the coordinate plane, my friends. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video and for being on this lesson, and have a great day. Bye bye.